Tower Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, 2 miles west.
Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, Roger. Extend your downwind. I'll call your base turn. Expect to extend a little bit. I got a 737. I gotta get out.
Okay, we'll extend the downwind. Bonanza 46 Foxtrot.
November 46 Foxtrot, you can start your base turn now. Traffic will be rolling here in a minute. Boeing 737. Traffic will be inside of 6 mile final phenom.
Okay, we're starting the base turn. We have a 73 in sight. Bonanza 46 Foxtrot.
Roger. Going 616, 32 left, clear for takeoff, wind 3005, traffic starting their left base turn, Cessna, they have you in sight.
Boeing 61632 left, full length, clear for takeoff.
Just another busy day at Boeing Field in Seattle. With winds out of the north, runway 32 left was in use. VFR aircraft approaching from the west are typically assigned the Vashon Arrival, one of the standard VFR procedures established at Boeing Field to separate traffic and remain clear of the Class B airspace. I hopped across Puget Sound from Bremerton National, about 20 nautical miles west. The designated track begins at the north tip of Vashon Island and requires a steady descent over West Seattle into a tight left downwind at 700 feet. As you can see in the replay from flysto.net, the tower controller had to sequence me with other VFR traffic, IFR arrivals and departures, and ensure that I remained below and clear of the Class B. And in the summer of 2025, Boeing Field is down to one runway, further limiting the options controllers can use to move traffic safely and efficiently. On this day, those circumstances resulted in a squeeze play. The controller needed to launch a Boeing test or delivery flight while fitting me in ahead of a business jet inbound on the ILS. Enjoy the replay.
Bremerton traffic, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, departing runway 02 northeast, bound Bremerton.
Bremerton traffic, 12.5721 Tango, 5 miles west of the field, exiting eastbound at 2,700 Bremerton.
Final's clear, runway's clear. Power's set, fuel flow's good, airspeed's alive. Up we go. Off gear coming up. Up.
Bremerton traffic, RV1 Delta Golf, on right final for 02, full stop, Bremerton.
Bremerton traffic, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, turning right crosswind, we're northeast bound, Bremerton.
Clear both, that was the right base. Bremerton traffic, 12.21 Tango, 3 miles west of the field, transiting the airspace northeast bound, Bremerton, 2,500.
Boeing Airfield, information Romeo, 1649er Zulu. Wind 310 at 4. Visibility 10. Sky is clear. Temperature 19er, 2.12. Altimeter 3004. ILS approach runway 32 left in use. Arriving and departing runway 32 left. NOTAMs, runway 32 right is closed. Taxiway Alpha 2, Alpha 3, Alpha 4, Alpha 5, Alpha 8, Bravo 1 are closed.
Kodiak 8 Kilo Mike, we're just awaiting the wake turbulence from the citation that's started ahead.
I'll wait for the wake turbulence, 8 Kilo Mike.
8 Kilo Mike, Roger, 32 left at Alpha 10, clear for takeoff wind 3006, passing wake turbulence from the citation that's started ahead. All views approved, but for now, fly straight out. I got traffic inbound caravan over the Mount Baker Tunnel report in sight.
Okay, clear for takeoff, 32 left, straight out, 8 Kilo Mike, thank you.
7. Southeast 51, traffic taking room for departure, will be departing prior to arrival.
They left in Southeast 51.
Boeing Tower, Bonanza 1546 Foxtrot, north tip of Vashon, information Romeo, full stop.
Bonanza 1546 Foxtrot, Boeing Tower, roger, Vashon Arrival, approved, report 2 miles west.
Report 2 miles west, Vashon Arrival, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot.
Kenmore 1010, how's that traffic inside?
Kenmore 1010, roger, base approved, behind them, 32 left, clear to land 129006.
32 left, clear land, number 2, Kenmore 1010.
Kenmore 5050, you'll be number 3, following traffic ahead, 32 left, clear to land 129006.
32 left, clear to land, number 3, got the Pilatus Company in sight, Kenmore 5050.
Roger. November 8 Kilo Mike, you can start your turn towards Bellevue now, appreciate the help.
Oh, appreciate it, thank you, 8 Kilo Mike.
Looking for 1,500 at the Pomeroy Ferry Dock, then on down to 700 on the downwind. Over the Duwamish. Go ahead and approach flaps out. Below 2,000. Approaching 1,500 at the docks. Continuing on down.
Eight Kilo Mike, I got no traffic for you, 16 please.
Thank you, 8 Kilo Mike, thank you.
Southeast 51, right turn off the 9er, you can just go ahead and taxi in the modern this frequency.
Alright, it was the Sky Service for the T for Southeast 51.
Okay, Southeast 51, roger, you can just go ahead and still taxi, just monitor ground then this southeast parking.
Alright, monitor ground, Southeast 51.
Boeing 616, I just got 2 more caravans, this one and then one more behind them, and then I'll get you going.
Boeing 616, thanks.
Tower, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, 2 miles west.
Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, roger, extend your downwind, I'll call your base turn, expect to extend a little bit, I got a 737, I gotta get out.
Okay, we'll extend the downwind, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot.
Kenmore 1010, left turn off, or correction, right turn off, and 9er, contact ground point 9er.
Alpha 9er, point 9er, Kenmore 1010.
There's 700. Head and extend landing gear, speed checks. Here's coming down, taxi light on 3 green.
Boeing 616, runway 32 left at Bravo 10, line up and wait.
Boeing 616 at Bravo 10, line up and wait. Skyhawk November 78711 is ready to go at 32 left, Alpha 10 in sequence, requesting a straight out disable or green link northwest VFR.
Kenmore 711, roger, have your request. Kenmore 5050, if able, no delay to the Alpha 9 intersection, turn right there, contact ground point 9er.
Alpha 9, ground point 9, Kenmore 5050.
November 46 Foxtrot, you can start your base turn now, traffic will be rolling here in a minute, Boeing 737, traffic will be inside of 6 mile final phenom.
Okay, we're starting the base turn, we have a 73 in sight, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot.
Roger. Boeing 616, 32 left, clear for takeoff, wind 3005, traffic starting there, left base turn, Cessna, they have you in sight.
Boeing 616, 32 left, full length, clear for takeoff.
Stops here a moment. We're cleared to land.
Boeing Tower, good morning. Jet 360 coming up on Dwayne for 32 left.
Jet 360, Boeing Tower, 32 left, cleared to land, wind 3006.
Jet 360 cleared to land, 32 left.
3 green. Exterior's ridge.
Boeing 616, thanks for the hustle, contact Saddle, departure.
Boeing 16 switching.
Boeing Tower helicopter 40353 at Bravo 2 would like get left closed traffic back to spot 8.
Helicopter 353, Roger, it's going to be a few minutes for the weak turbulence.
We'll wait a couple minutes for the wake turbulence, helicopter 353.
November 46, Foxtrot, left or right at Alpha 9 or Bravo 5, contact ground point 9.
We left at Bravo 5 and then ground Bonanza 46 Foxtrot.
Boeing Tower, Skyhawk 82, Mike Hotel, holding short 32 left for a green lake departure.